Seriously, I did.
Good.
Like you know when it rains super heavy? Why are you taking a video of me?
We could be the only one to get it.
You're zooming in, zooming out, aren't you?
No.
Yes, you are. I can see the lens dilate.
No, 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 no.
Turn that back around.
No, 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 no. That's my dimension. Look what I can do.
Yes,
No, 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 no. No. I don't even know what the point of that is.
Let's go here because I really want to eat this. So
No, 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 no.
I have a cotton.
No, 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 no.
Goosebumps.
It's ice cream. It's touching you.
I feel the sense of something awesome nearby.
Should we find it? I feel the sense of something awesome as well.
Like a wave of goosebumps just went around.
Here, Mikey. Stand up.
Why?
Stand up.
Okay.
Now I want you to swing your arm like this. No, 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 no. Do it again. Good job.
What are you going to do?
Oh, you shall wait. You know what I'm going to do, don't you?
We're supposed to 6 binders and every binder.
Tink. Bing. Shazam.
You're gonna make a fireball?
Yes.
Okay. When you said tink, I was thinking, hey!
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 Hey! Hey!
Hey! Hey!
You know, actually,
What?
no.
Okay.
Meow.
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 No.
Meow.
Why aren't there any more good movies coming out now that Harry Potter is all gone now?
Yeah, I know. Well, let's see.
Well, Avengers coming out. The first Avengers. You know, Captain America.
That already came out, though.
No. The Avengers movie.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That sounds awesome.
That is coming. It is going to be.
Better pay me for this advertisement.
Advertisement. Pepper. I bit into a piece of pepper.
Why did? Okay.
Have you ever had a grain of pepper in your mouth and it doesn't taste like anything? Then you bite it and it's like it's like a bean leaf.
Yes. Okay, so this doesn't make any sense, okay. So these are the releases that are been out for a while. And then you go up here. And these are the real new releases. Now let's zoom in over here. What is that? That's 127 hours. What? Beastly's been out. I have Beautiful. What is Black Swan? That's been out for like, I don't know, a few months.
Women's rights.
And then you come over here and Paul. Paul is a new release. It just came out like, I don't know, a week ago. And it is over here. And this logic, it wants to kill me. Meow.
Meow.
Meow. Meow. Meow. Meow. There's a police officer outside.
What?
Take a look at him. Move your head.
Why?
Na, 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 na.
You got the
I zoomed in onto him. Look! Crazy candy!
That's crazy.
King Henry.
King Henry, you're so crazy.
Oh, King Henry, you're so crazy. Summer fun toys. Art kits. The art kits.
I'm not sure how this is supposed to be.
These aren't even fun.
No. Absolutely not.
No. Girls' day out.
No, absolutely not. Flying.
Lucky wants the girls' day out.
No, I don't. Puzzle pack.
Puzzle pack?
I was thinking that would be okay if it weren't for the horrible.
Ow.
Blank. Sweet. So, this is okay.
Yes, that's fine.
A whole bunch of. Actually, no, it's not. Well, not all of it's okay. First of all, they have this super bubble. Super bubble sucks.
Yes, it does.
It's like you're chewing into an actual barrel. And then they have now and later, which is okay at certain times.
Hence the name now and later.
Sassy tarts.
Sassy tarts.
Sassy tarts.
It's a terrible name.
It's horrible. It's like Honey Nut Scooters. Flying toys, doll pack. No.
There's a little girl in there.
Look, this one has a different colored hair than the others. Right. Take a look. King Henry's art kit. Art kit. Flying toys. This is not how you spell awesome.
That is not even close how you spell awesome.
And there's not really much about sports that is awesome. Boys play day. That doesn't sound right. Okay, and then we have awesome.
Candy dress up.
Awesome.
Awesome. There's all this awesome candy.
That is not awesome.
They don't know how to spell. If you look back there, they have some was, like some was soda. Okay, so I've been filming for 7 minutes straight.
Yes, of course.
Trying to put it up.
I don't even
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Unless you have something to say.
Okay.
You have anything to say?
No, I don't.
This is Braden being awesome and signing
Other
off.
than the fact that it makes no sense for Pokemon that are caught out in the ocean to have to be trained by a machine to swim. Think about it. You know it's true, Braden.
Wait, what?
You know how, like, I was looking at Meme Base and it shows Professor Brock. And then it says, like, catch Pokemon out in the middle of the ocean, has to use machine to teach them to swim.
Oh.